Hi, today I'm reviewing the Ordinary's Niacinamide 10% and Zinc 1%. And really quick, I just want to say I purchased all these products with my own money, so you know you can trust my opinion is what I honestly believe. And if you want to help the channel, click on the Amazon link below before you make your purchases. So this is a great product from The Ordinary. Right off the bat, I'm going to say that. It is about $5.90, and this is the full size, which is 1 ounce. And this basically is a solution of niacinamide and zinc, and then a few other ingredients. But the main stars of it are the niacinamide, and zinc is an interesting choice. There's not a ton of research behind zinc, but The Ordinary claims it can help reduce oily skin and production of oil for the skin. There's not a ton of research about that, but I haven't seen anything saying that zinc is negative for skin. But niacinamide definitely is a good option for skin, especially if you have oily skin or acne-prone skin. It can definitely help with that. It can help with any inflammation on the skin. And I love that they've got the dropper packaging, so it's pretty easy to apply, but it's more of a gel than gel serum kind of. It's very quickly absorbed. Definitely when it dries down leaves a little bit of a sticky finish. So if you're using this in your skincare routine, you're definitely going to use this early on and then cover it with maybe another serum or a moisturizer, because you definitely don't want to have the sticky finish unless you're using this at night before bed. But you can definitely use this morning and night. But definitely if you're using it in the morning, you're definitely going to want to follow it with something else, because I think on my hand it's pretty well absorbed, but you can still see kind of the stickiness of the finish. So you're definitely going to want to use something else. I've lately been using the Drunk Elephant Protini cream on top of this so that the stickiness isn't an issue. If you're using it in the morning, maybe follow up with a primer so it'll take some of that finish off. But, you know, there's a lot of reviews of this, and most of them are pretty positive. But a lot of them do note the tacky, sticky finish. So definitely use this early on in your routine. The rule with skincare routines is start with the thinnest product or the lightest product, lightest weight, and go towards the heaviest weight. I tend to use many layers. So if you're using like an essence or a toner, use that, and then cover with a light serum or this next, and then possibly another moisturizer on top. But niacinamide definitely has been proven to be very good for skin, especially oily skin or inflamed skin or irritated skin. The zinc, there's not a ton of research out there, but I haven't seen anything negative about this. But I've been using this now for the last couple of months, and a little bit does go a long way with this, which is nice. And it's affordable, which makes it even better, because there's a lot of products out there with niacinamide in there, but you can spend as much money as you want for something with that in there. So having something that's affordable is definitely nice. It's fragrance free, which is definitely a bonus. And then the nice thing with The Ordinary is you can kind of pick your products and kind of cater around that. So they haven't included a ton of other beneficial ingredients in this, but you'll definitely want to follow with some other products that have more skin communicating, skin soothing ingredients. So definitely this isn't the end all be all of your skincare, but definitely can be a good addition to it. So for me, I'm going to give this product 2 thumbs up. And I'm interested if you guys have had a chance to check this out yet or not, and if so, what your thoughts or experience was. So leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys. Feel free to subscribe if you're not already. I come with at least 1 new review every day. And check out nobsbeauty.net. Thank you so much, guys.